Okay, so what we're going to do here is just give a demonstration of how to treat ivy when it's going up a tree, and we're going to work on this tree behind me. But let me just go through the tools that you need to if you're going to work on a tree. A screwdriver is very handy for prying the ivy vines away from the tree so that you can get pruners in to cut the vine. If the ivy is really old, the pruners may not be enough to do the cutting, and then a small saw might be what you need. So if the ivy vines are thicker than an inch or so, you probably need a little pruning saw. And you should also wear gloves. It is important to get rid of ivy in the trees, because when ivy gets high up in a tree, it can act like a big sail, and in a high wind it can actually pull the tree over with its weight and its air resistance. And the other bad thing about ivy high up in trees is that mature ivy is where it tends to flower and set seed. The other important thing is that the bark on these trees can be pretty rough, so the ivy vines may be hidden. So it's an excellent idea to cut the ivy at two different points, low down and then a couple of feet above. That makes sure if you miss one of the vines below, you'll probably get it above. So you actually create a bare patch on the tree trunk. Anyway, let's go and attack some of that ivy and give you an idea of how it's done. Going to go all the way around the tree. So we've done the easy part now. We've cleared the ivy all the way around this tree over a distance of a couple of feet. But we're at the Yahut State Park here on the south of the riverbank, and there's loads of ivy on the ground, and we're never going to get rid of all of that. So within a couple of years, the ivy's going to be coming back up this tree. So it's a job that's never really finished. It's just like weeds in your garden. They're always going to come back. So in 2 or 3 years' time, we'll have to come back and deal with this tree again to stop the ivy going up.